Hey guys, check it out. It's my latest incarnation of what I'm calling DisplayPi. This is based on the alarm clock project that you've probably checked out before. If you haven't, you can check that out now. What this is it's grabbing information off of the internet and pulling it down and displaying it on this section here. So just before I zoom in, some stuff to talk to you about at this distance. So this is an MDF board that I've salvaged. At the top of it, I've got a couple D hooks that are ready to hang it, but I haven't hung it on the wall yet. We're still too early in the prototype phase. Here in the corner, what you can see is I've got a 5-volt, 3-amp charger coming onto the board, and that laces up here and onto the breadboard. The breadboard distributes the power, amongst other things, to these, which are 8x8 LED displays. And this, of course, is my Raspberry Pi. So let's just have a little bit more of a zoom in so we can see some more of the detail of this project. So from last time, some of the stuff that's changed. I've included the Rotary encoders, but now, of course, I put knobs on them. But they don't do anything yet. So neither of them, while they're connected, none of them are enabled in this program. The way that this program is actually running is through this, which is an infrared motion sensor, the PIR. You may notice this from another project that I started with some time ago, which is an outdoor lighting display. Well, I dismantled that when I moved to New York, and there it is there. Basically checking for any movement, so it knows to trigger when somebody's walking past. So basically, what we have here is a Raspberry Pi model B+, and that's powered here through the combination power. So the power comes onto the board, and it's split between these 8x8 Max 7219 8x8 LEDs, and I have 8 of them. It splits the power that way and also to the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi, using the GPIOs, connects with different connectors along the top here. And also, each of these connect in parallel, in serial with each other, so that they communicate the display. So what you can see is I'm doing the best I can to maximize the 8 relays so that the 8 of them work well in conjunction. You can see some of the stuff that I have here. First it was the time, then it was some weather information, and then this is about city bikes at nearby locations. Anyways, this board is progressing well. Some of the stuff that I've learned as I've gone through. Well, first of all, these two rotary encoders, they're mounted about a centimeter out on each other. So you may notice that nothing on the board quite looks level. This is just a prototype. We're just still at the learning phase here. So what I hope to do eventually is move this into something more permanent, maybe in behind a framed mounted display. What I'm not yet able to do, as I said with these rotary encoders, is to change any of the settings, including the time that my alarm is going to be set off. So that's yet to come. What you'll see probably in the next version, or shortly thereafter, is I'm going to be adding a Bluetooth audio, well, a Bluetooth USB dongle, which I'll use to display the audio out to my alarm clock. Anyways, that's what it's up to for now. Still lots of progress to be made. I'd like to more rationally include stuff in there like stock information, some headlines, other relevant stuff that I want to catch just as I walk by, so I don't have to listen to that audio alarm more than once in the day. Great, well, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If you have any projects that you'd like to share, please do so. Always interested to hear what you guys are up to. Of course, there's some great revisions that have happened to the code behind this project by some community members, and I'm definitely appreciative of that. Some of the donations I've received recently are going towards the Bluetooth audio that's coming, and these quite expensive knobs, actually. You'd be surprised how much you can spend on some Bakelite knobs. Wanted to thank you again for that. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, of course you can in the donate section of the About section below. Don't forget to check out my other Raspberry Pi videos. Hopefully they can serve as inspiration or education if there's something that you learn in there. Thanks again. See you soon.